If you have a Toyota Corolla from 2006 to 2012 and you want to find the important information such as colour code, year built and VIN number, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2008 Toyota Corolla and this is the sedan version. And in this video I'm going to be pointing out all of the useful labels that are found around the car to give you information such as your paint colour, your engine type, the year of manufacture and of course your VIN number. So I know a lot of you would think that this is found under the bonnet or in the engine bay, but actually there's not too much to be found in there and I'll show you that now. And if you don't know how to get in there, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. Once you've done that, we're just going to go ahead and put our hand in just above the Toyota badge and shift that lever there to the left. And then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. And once your bonnet's safe and secure, we can just take a good look around the engine bay. And as you can see, there's actually not many labels. There is a couple of warnings. There's one here. There's how to replace your coolant label there, and also the type of refrigerant gas that your air conditioning uses, but actually not too much else. So now I'll show you where to find some of the more useful labels. So coming round to the front of the car, just on the windscreen there, you'll notice there's a bit of a block out there, and that's actually our VIN number stamped in. So you can always see that from outside the car. Now the VIN number is a unique number that's basically stamped into the chassis of this car, and I'll show you where in just a second. And that is very useful for ordering parts or actually talking about the specific car and its history. Next we're going to go over the passenger side and open up the door fully, and we're just going to come round into the door jamb here. And now this is probably one of the most useful labels. So obviously Toyota Motor Corporation, this was a Japanese made model. I know there's other ones made in different places over the world. That's the exact model number of this car. There's the engine type, and it is the 1798 milliliter, so the 1.8 litre petrol engine. This frame number here is actually a repeat of that VIN number. Our colour code is 040 on this car, and our trim type there is FE12. It also gives you your transmission and axle type there, payload mass in kilos, and this is the plant it was. So it was built in A31 is the plant it was actually built, and it was built in February 2008. But more important than that, that VIN number is actually stamped onto our chassis, and I'll show you where right now. So we're just going to come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, open up the door fully again, slide your driver's seat all the way back, and then you'll see this black cover here saying frame number. So you can just see the tab there saying pull. So you pull that off, and then you flip this carpet back, and that's where our VIN number is actually stamped into our chassis. And last but not least, I'm just going to show you the standard tyre information for this car, and that's found over the driver's side just below the locking mechanism. And there it is, and that gives you your tyre sizes and rim size for the standard wheels found on this car, and also your pressures, your working pressures for the tyres as well. So there we go, nice simple video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.